Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on maintaining your Enovo Yoga 730, an essential device for your real estate investment activities. Today, we'll go through the tools you need, the steps for internal cleaning, and how to keep your laptop running smoothly. First, let's talk about the tools you'll need for this maintenance process. You will require 1. A Phillips screwdriver, specifically a number 0 size, to remove the back panel. 2. A can of compressed air for dust removal. 3. Isopropyl alcohol and microfiber cloth for cleaning the screen and keyboard. 4. A small brush to dislodge any stubborn dirt or debris. Now, let's begin. 1. Power down and prepare. Make sure your Enovo Yoga 730 is powered off and unplugged. This is crucial for your safety and the integrity of the device. 2. Removing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them to reassemble later. 3. Internal cleaning. Once the back panel is off, you will likely see dust accumulation on the fans and components. Using your can of compressed air, gently blow out the dust. Make sure to hold the can upright to avoid any moisture from escaping. If you prefer a more thorough clean, use the small brush to carefully dislodge any particles stuck on the components. 4. Cleaning the interior. Next, if you see any fingerprints or smudges on the inside components, lightly dampen your microfiber cloth with isopropyl alcohol. Wipe these areas gently, being careful not to touch any electronic parts directly. 5. Reassembly. Once everything is clean, replace the back panel and screw it back into place securely. Double check that all screws are tight, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can damage the casing. If you find that you're not comfortable performing this maintenance yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you in determining if there are any underlying issues with your device. 6. Final touches. After reassembling, it's important to power on your device and check that everything is functioning properly. Listen for any unusual sounds that might indicate a problem, especially from the fans. If you prefer a hassle-free experience, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. This way, you don't have to worry about transportation or scheduling calls. 7. Regular maintenance. To keep your Enovo Yoga 730 in top shape, make it a habit to perform this cleaning every few months. Regular upkeep can prevent larger issues down the road. Finally, before any repairs are made, you can always request a quote before repair. This ensures you're informed about any potential costs associated with fixing your device. Following these steps will help you maintain your Enovo Yoga 730 effectively, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, maximizing your real estate investments. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide valuable. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.